Hello guys, and how is everything? Today our lesson is about grammar, specifically about what are the mechanics of writing. So please guys open your JTB page 764 um, and follow up with me please guys. So um, first guys we need to know the meaning of mechanics and what does it mean? So, mechanics refers to the correct use of capitalization and punctuation. So, when we use capitalization and punctuation correctly, so this is what we mean by mechanics. So, by talking about these two terms, guys, let's remember the meaning of each of them and the use or the function of each of them, because actually in our previous lessons we talked a lot about capitalization of punctuation. And actually, guys, in your writings, you always have like some mistakes in capitalization. So please focus on capitalization because it's really important. So capitalization should be used for proper nouns, and the proper nouns, guys, it could be like titles, historical names of historical events, names of people, languages, nationalities, countries, names of cities, and so on. So, like here, the title. Look at this. This is one of the best examples about titles. So what are the mechanics of writing? So here, guys, we capitalized each letter of the our title because it's a title. Okay, so here, guys, we capitalized the W, the A, the M, and the W, but we do not capitalize the articles and the prepositions, so that's why they are not capitalized. Okay, names of historical events such as, guys, are, for example, World War II. The W in each words are capitalized. Languages, names of states, nationalities like Jordan, Jordanian, New York, Irbid, languages like Arabic, English, and so on. Okay, so this is about capitalization. So we capitalize the first letter of each proper noun, or the initial letter of each of the proper noun. So now, guys, about punctuation. So punctuation, guys, it could be question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, comma, three dots, which is ellipsis, dash, dot, and so on. Okay. So, and remember, guys, when we have a compound sentence, so we have a coordinating conjunction, so we add a comma before these coordinating conjunctions. So these conjunctions, guys, for example, and, or, so, and. Okay, let's go down, guys, to these examples. So the first one, the Amazon River Basin is home to the largest rainforest on Earth. So here, guys, because it's a name of a place, so we capitalized each letter. And here, because it's a planet, okay, so it's also a proper noun, so that's why we capitalize the E in Earth. For example, also Jupiter, Mars, Pluto, and so on. The second example, guys, why haven't you read the book The Giant Kapok Tree? So here, guys, we have contraction. Instead of saying have not, we said haven't. Okay, so we have contraction, and that's why we used apostrophe. The giant kabuk tree, here it's the book title, so that's why we capitalized each letter of each first letter of each word in the title. And here at the end of the sentence, guys, we've added a question mark because the kind of the sentence is interrogative, so that's why we need a question mark. The last example, guys, TY and Nan read it, but I haven't read any of the author's books. So TY and Nan, guys, are nouns, proper nouns, names of people. So that's why we capitalize each letter, each first letter of each name. And here, guys, we have compound sentence. So we have coordinating conjunction but, and we've added comma before it. And at the end of this sentence, guys, we have a possessive noun, which is author's books. So who owns these books? The author. So that's why we have apostrophe to indicate that this is a possessive noun. Okay, guys. Let's go down to try this, and here, guys, we have some mistakes and we need to correct them. The first one, the book called The Amazon is Mike's favorite. So here, guys, we need to what? We need to capitalize the Amazon here, guys, because each letter of it, like the here and Amazon, the A here, we need to capitalize them because they're a book title. The second one, guys, isn't that a book about Earth's rainforests? So here we have isn't instead of saying is not. Okay, so here we must add apostrophe, okay, because it's a contraction. That's a book about Earth. Earth here must be capitalized, the E, okay? And at the end of this sentence, the kind of the sentence is interrogative. It's a question, so we need to add a question mark. The last one, it's about the rainforest, but it is also about the animals and the people who live in the Amazon. Here, guys, it's must be we should have contraction because it's or it indicates or it means it is, so it's contraction, so we must add apostrophe. Here compound sentence, so we must add comma before the coordinating conjunction but. And also, guys, here live in the Amazon must be capitalized as well. Okay, the fourth one is I would love for Mrs. Ortiz to read that book. Okay, here, guys, because it's a title of a person, the M must be capitalized, and the name of this Mrs., the O must be capitalized as well. At the end of the sentence, it's a declarative sentence, it's a statement, it's a normal statement, so we add dot here or period. The last question, guys, you can't find it anywhere except the Smithville Library. So here, instead of saying can not, we said cannot or can't. So here it's contraction, we must add apostrophe. And here, guys, Smithville Library, it's a name of a place, so it's a proper noun, so we must capitalize the S and the L. So this is our lesson for today, guys. I hope you've understood everything. It's actually like an accumulative lesson. So we've mentioned these stuff before and we've discussed them deeply in our previous lessons. So if you need further information, you can go back to the previous lessons that we've talked about them, and you can like refresh in your mind. So that's everything for today. Thanks for lending your ear and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.